This Antipasto salad makes a fantastic potluck summer side, and as we found out after testing it ourselves, it's also the best make-ahead lunch. There's a zippy, zesty dressing, no cooking, and very little chopping on your part. All musts when it comes to summer recipes. For the dressing, you're going to whisk olive oil, red wine vinegar, lemon juice, mustard, honey, grated garlic, a generous amount of dried oregano, salt, pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. I think you could add almost anything to this bowl and it would taste good. Thinly slice some onion and then toss it in the dressing. Letting it sit there while you prep the rest of the salad tones down the raw flavor and softens them a bit. This is one of my favorite tricks for onions, by the way. In goes 2 cans of white beans that we've drained and rinsed, then roughly chopped marinated artichoke hearts, roasted red peppers, and olives. Just pile them in, add tomatoes, cheese, fresh mozzarella balls are my favorite, but provolone is nice too, and salami that's been cut into quarters. And last but not least, finish with a handful of chopped parsley. You're going to love it.